Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. A whole 2 years ago, I did a little competition with my friend Chairina, and we let you guys decide who won that competition. So I wanted to recreate that video, but instead of me picking the apartment, I had these two girls pick the apartment. So these two ladies are each going to be picking an apartment in the $6,000 range, and we're gonna let you guys decide who's gonna win.
Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going.
All right, so she came in, she walked through the place. She seemed pretty confident that she could still take you.
This place is huge. She's gonna have competition. All right, guys, so we're in the financial district. This place is $6,275. It's 2-bed, 2-bath. It could be a flex 3 if you look this way. All you have to do is put a wall. So as we step back here, this can be the flex area. You can make this a bedroom. You can make this a living room. You can make this a studio workplace. So as you guys can see, this is a very loft style building. So you can see the uniqueness of the window. Once that sun starts setting, you get that sunlight, and trust me, she's gonna have a really, really hard time beating this.
I actually worked in the financial district, so yeah, it's pretty hectic during the week. It's kind of boring. Financial district is okay, but if you're a banker or I don't know.
If those windows wasn't enough, as we walked through the apartment, you had this amazing skylight right here with so much space under it. You can make this your living room, make that your workspace. This is not even halfway through this living room yet.
We've made it down to this end of the apartment, and it's in the dining/kitchen room, which is probably where I would be most of the time.
This is the dining room area. You can have a very, very large table right here. You can fit, I would say, like 6 to 8 people.
And even up here, as far as the dining table, I would even replace this light fixture that we have up here. I think it would also separate, because this place is so long and open, it would really separate and delineate what is the place to eat, what is the place to entertain. And then that could be the office over there. We didn't say before, but this landlord will allow this space to be live work. So if you have an at-home business that doesn't get too much traffic, this is a space that could work for both. Instead of having a separate office space that you have to travel to and pay for, you can have everything under one roof. So you have your 10 people that fit over here, and how many people do you think could fit here with bar stools?
4,
Yeah.
easily.
If you are a content creator or if you have to do photography shots, this island is actually pretty good for that as well.
Yeah, I can host my cooking show here.
I don't know who's gonna watch that.
What do you mean? So as we continue this apartment, we have a washer and dryer here, which is something that everyone needs. This apartment is on the 5th floor, so you don't want to be carrying your laundry upstairs. You have everything you need. This place is great because it doesn't have 1 bathroom, it has 2 bathrooms, which this bathroom could be for the 2nd bedroom or when you have guests over, so they don't go into the primary bathroom, they come into this bathroom. Off the bathroom, we enter into your 2nd bedroom, which is huge. It can fit a king-size bed. What I love about this space is the floors. When a building is so old, normally you get that unstable squeaky sound. This happens to have really nice floors. Now we're gonna get the west side sun exposure, which is very rare to get 2 exposure in one apartment. Normally it's always gonna be 1 window. So I do not have an outdoor space, but I do have a fire escape that looks right to my favorite bar, which is a plus. Just grab a drink, come upstairs. Yeah, you can even put a chair up there. I'll try it.
Well, guys, I wouldn't try that. It's a pretty scary fireplace.
Take a risk. All right, life is about taking risk. We're about to enter my favorite spot in this apartment, which is the primary room that also has a private bathroom. Like the other bathroom, this bathroom is also really spacious. It's a tub. I hate showers. It does have a tub. If you saw the last video, I live in a studio, and my studio is almost this primary room size. You can do so much, you know, this would be such an upgrade if I happen to live in this apartment, which I'm considering it. I gotta see her apartment first. This is the end of my amazing apartment. I would ask you what you think, but we already know her answer.
Yeah, I mean, pretty amazing, but let's see, right?
I like that we chose two separate neighborhoods because you guys get to decide which neighborhood you like the best. I mean, it's about the apartment, but in New York City, it's also about the neighborhood. Where are we going next?
Well, we're going to the Upper East Side. This has been nice, kind of quiet. There's a lot more going on in the Upper East Side. We're close to the park, tons of museums, shopping, dining, so. Yeah.
Not enough bars.
Shopping, dining.
We shall see, we shall see.
I have high hopes.
Whose team are you on?
I'm not on anyone's team.
Stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going.
So guys, this is my apartment. This is a 2-bed, 3-bath in the Upper East Side. So this apartment goes for $69.25. As you can see, we get this wonderful stairs. You can hang some artwork. You can really make it your own. So the first thing that we are gonna be looking at is this wonderful kitchen. Fully equipped, stainless steel, full-size appliances. A lot of cabinets, as you can see. Dishwasher, beautiful fridge. So, okay, compared to Chai's kitchen, she had a huge island, kind of Iron Chef feeling to it. This is a little peninsula, I would say, but still feels like very homey. You can put a couple stools there and you can cook and entertain some people.
This feels kind of tight. My kitchen was open. Yeah, my bedroom was way bigger. Better sunlight, but all right, I guess.
And then for this space, this you can get very creative. You can either do a dining room area since you're close to the kitchen, and if you're hosting, you can have easy access to the kitchen. And of course, the fireplace is gorgeous. It's a marble fireplace, so you can play with the room. You can either do living room, which you can put a couch over there and maybe mount a TV. But if you're a little indecisive and you don't know what to do with the space, you don't have to sacrifice the space because we have this wonderful extra room in the back. Follow me. For here, you can make this your TV room if you want. Sometimes when you're facing the street, it can be a little noisy. So if you're watching TV, you might as well be towards the back. If you want to make this space your office, it's also good being in the back of the building. If you're like into fitness, you can put your Peloton bike there, do a little yoga in the morning. Honestly, you can be very, very creative with this space. And also, because we have this closet here, this one you can get this to be a third room. You can close this room and make it a third bedroom. So upstairs we have 2 bathrooms in 2 of the bedrooms, but down here we have a full bathroom that you can use for guests. Before we head upstairs to the bedrooms, we are gonna see the cherry on top that Chai cannot beat. This is your very own private outdoor. So this is about 100 square feet space. You can do so much with it. You can have some outdoor furniture. You can have like a little sectional, your grill over there. This is just for you to entertain your guests. So the Upper East Side, it's on the quieter side of town, I would say, compared to some other neighborhoods in the city. You are gonna get some noise coming from the street, but not too much. You have Lexington Avenue and 71st. I mean, it's not the end of the world. You're not in the Village or in some other louder neighborhoods. Like that bus just ruined it. But it's okay. At least you have tons of transportation close by. You get the train, the bus, everything. So now we're heading upstairs. Who can say that? Let's go upstairs of my apartment. So we're gonna take a look at the 2 beds, 2 baths, and this is gonna be a little bit of a legwork, but it's pretty worth it. So as we go up, you can take a look at all these little details that make a big difference. All these modern touches that they did with the doors. This glass let a lot of light go in, but still it gives you a little bit of privacy. It's not like your normal French doors that are 0 privacy. So up here, we get 2 equally sized bedrooms. So you can see that this is a pretty spacious, I would say king size bed. You can see that someone mounted their TV there, which gives you maybe like an idea of what you can do with this room. We have a pretty fair size closet. You get really nice light. And the advantage of having wing bedrooms is that you get a lot more privacy. You're not bothered with the noise that your roommate is making. So another detail that I really love, I know that Chai had a skyline, but I have one too. And as you can see, it goes like down the stairs, so it's pretty nice. It gives it tons of light. This is bathroom 2, and here is another bathroom, full baths. So that makes 3 full bathrooms, which is pretty great. And here, this is a true New York luxury. It's a washer and dryer. Chai had a washer and dryer, I have a washer and dryer, so I guess I'm winning already. This is the principal bedroom. We got a second fireplace, and as you can see, this is like New York and old New York combined. They usually remodel all these apartments and they want to make them very modern. But in this case, you get this beautiful detail. They kept the fireplace. It's a marble fireplace. But you can always install your TV on top. Yes, this is my place.
Are you still pretty confident?
I am so confident.
Why did you choose this space in particular?
Well, I have a deep love for duplexes because I grew up in Mexico. So I grew up in a house. So having the duplex gives you that feeling, those different levels. It makes you feel like you're in a house. That's it.
I won.
I won.
I had the loft feeling. You know.
Got the outdoor, got the stairs.
You got the noisy outdoor. I had the
outdoor. It's New York. It's noisy.
I have an outdoor too. You just go out the door.
It's the street. That's everybody's outdoor.
This is a real battle because they do actually work together. So like I said, bragging rights are up on the table now. I want you guys to decide in the comments who won this battle. You guys decide, and I'll see you in the comments.